Flush the instruments using the Purge function. Activate the function in the sub-menu of the Start dialog. Hold the instruments over the cuspidor. The instruments will be flushed for the duration of the set time. If the Purge option is not provided, the water lines must be flushed manually. Press the tumbler filler 3 times. Hold the syringe of the dentist and assistant element over the cuspidor and press the water key for at least 20 seconds. Now, take the instruments out one by one and hold them over the cuspidor. Activate the spray with the foot control. Then, keep the foot control pressed for at least 60 seconds. Repeat the procedure for all other instruments. Perform chemical suction hose cleaning. Remove the gold trap and then clean the cuspidor. Insert the cleaning adapter, making sure it is inserted as far as it will go. Prepare the cleaning solution as per the manufacturer's instructions and pour this in the cuspidor. Remove the suction hoses from their holders and attach them to the cleaning adapters simultaneously. Allow the cleaning solution time to work in the unit. Note the manufacturer's instructions in terms of exposure time. Following the cleaning process, pour at least 1 liter of water into the cuspidor. The water is drained, thus preventing any cleaning agent residues from remaining in the suction hoses. After finishing the suction process, pull off the hoses and place them back in their position. Remove the cleaning adapter and reinsert the gold trap. Remove all hygiene-critical parts for reprocessing. The tray can be thermo-disinfected. The silicone pads and the handles of the operating light can be sterilized. If your treatment center is equipped with silicone covers for the handles, they need to be removed for sterilization as well. Empty the central suction sieve in the assistant element. Open the cover on the assistant element and take out the suction sieve. Clean the sieve under running water. On the compact assistant element, the suction sieve is located in the swivel arm of the cuspidor. Remove the gold trap and take out the cuspidor for thorough cleaning. Clean the tumbler filler, the cup holder, and the swivel unit. Then, reattach the cleaned cuspidor and the gold trap. After the daily cleaning procedure, turn your treatment center off at the power switch.